What's up, guys?
Today we're going to be opening Forces on Nature GX
Premium collection. So it's gonna be, we might actually split this up into two different parts just because the set is so big, but we'll figure that out as we go along. So don't forget to subscribe because at the end of the month, Liam, what are we doing?
Another subscriber giveaway. I'll keep on saying this every day.
Giveaway, yeah.
Every day.
Every day a giveaway. No, but at the end of the month, giveaway, $50 Amazon gift card. And we're almost at 50 subscribers. So if we hit that number, sometime before the middle of this month, we're going to do another subscriber giveaway, like just a random surprise prize to some people. It might be some Pokemon cards or packs or something, but we'll see. Anyway, so make sure you subscribe and let's get set up. And
it's really close to Pokemon cards.
yeah. All right, let's get cracking.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to be opening Thunderous, Tornadous, and Landorus. So this set is made for Landorus because I don't think he's in any other card except like in GX form. It's the only form he's in, but this is not a GX. Can you explain me why this is not a GX? But this card, when you buy this on Amazon, it actually shows you the damage. And Dad, tell them what the damage is.
1,000. We'll show them the card.
1,000. I don't need those scissors. I could just use my magic. Okay, so there's Forbidden Light cards. That's amazing. Okay. Whoa! There's a mattress.
Comes with a mat? Oh, cardboard mat. Nice. That's pretty cool.
Guys, Dad, can you put this on our Pokemon wall?
Yep. Find nice background. Cool. Nice play.
For another so this guy is 140 damage and 100 Thunderous. Tornadous has 50 and 90 and 130. So let's get into. So there's a pin and there's a coin. We have so much coins. We don't have any room for them. Okay. Put these back. And if you were wondering, this pack is called Be a Legendary because.
Yeah, let's start showing them
what the heck? Just normal sun moon and
everything. Alright, show them the.
This guy.
Who's that, Landros?
Landorus. Look, 1,000 damage. And guys, look, if you can see our lighting thing right here, look, it's like shining. The legendary Pokemon symbol in this right here, this Pokemon ball. If you can't see it on camera, look, this Pokemon.
Mom's gonna be upset when you use that card on her.
I'm just gonna keep this in our office. I don't want to use it.
That is so cool.
So Dad, does the GoPro? Oh yeah.
Okay, show them the pin you got.
The pin is Tornadous.
Hey, that's pretty good.
So we need our sleeves, Dad.
There you go.
So I'll put on the pin for you guys. You can see on it might be on
we don't know yet. We'll see how it looks. One of the corners you'll see it.
In one of the corners you'll see me, my face, and my shirt. So if you guys can see in the camera.
While you're doing that pin, I'm going to show them these wicked cards.
Okay, I'm not doing my pen anymore.
Want me to open it for you?
So they're slightly bent, but that's okay, right, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
We can use our sleeves to keep them. That's what sleeves are for, to keep them.
And then Tornadoes, GX. Look at those nice cards. Tornadoes, yeah.
Tomatoes.
Well, pass me that thing.
This thing.
No, pass me just the plastic thing. I'll wait that out of your way.
This guy has gas. Like, this guy has gas. Like Pidgey does.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs, and the promo
Code
card comes with the set.
Okay. I'll show you our things once we just get this code card. Once we download this, we're never going to download this TCG game.
TCG Online?
No.
Yeah, because we got to give up. We're giving out all our codes for you guys.
Just
all our friends get our codes.
So I'm going to do them are Sun and Moon, Evolutions, Guardians Rising, Forbidden Light, another Forbidden Light, and Crimson Invasions.
Crimson Invasion.
Crimson Invasion. So, because I thought, like, I always get them right, so I hope this has our GX. This is heavy.
Yup.
This is heavy. Feel this. It's heavy.
Yeah.
These are all light,
All
so.
right. Which one's you opening first?
This one has lots.
All right.
Okay, Evolution second back. Sun and Moon, just normal Sun and Moon. Hope we get something good. What if we got like a GX on this? A GX. Yeah, what if we got a GX on this?
That would be amazing.
Show us on Sun and Moon. What if we did that? What if we pulled a Mewtwo and Mew? Okay.
Let's do our shuffle.
Okay.
Flip them over.
These cards are good revolutions. Code card.
And do your 4 shuffles.
Okay.
1.
Why is it black?
Let's go, buddy.
2.
3, 4. 4. Energy.
We always got energies. Blue energy. Acrodo. Rare candy. I can use this rare candy to evolve my guys. Because rare candies are meant to evolve and make them stronger. Wishy-washy. Pharaoh. Trugan. Sparrow. Alolan Glamour. Rowlet. Alolan Peekaboo. Just do that. Peekaboo.
Yeah, sometimes I gotta do a little editing, Morty.
Do that one. Carbombrable. Nothing. Our rare for this set is Pokemon. Dad,
Yeah.
do we do the 2 last cards? That's what other YouTubers.
No, that's fine.
The other YouTubers.
Well, you can keep them there if you want.
These are 2 rare cards for the first
Sure.
pack. 2 last cards. That's what other YouTubers do. I don't know why though. Evolution's pack. So Evolution's cards look very, very weird. They're like, they made like these day cards, but back in the day. Back in the day, Pokemon cards looked like Evolutions. So they just made it. Now here. Okay.
And that was a fail.
I think these cards are not useful for the Pokemon TCG game.
Yeah, they are.
They say. We're not gonna get any rares because there's no white on this. That's actually a trick if you want to know.
So, look it upside down.
Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, energy guessing game. What energy you guys think it is? Comment down below.
What are you going to say, Liam?
Psychic type. Dodrio.
Oh, because this was an evolutions pack.
Dodrio. This is the evolution of Diglett. You guys didn't know my favorite Pokemon card is Diglett. That's why I like Dodrio and Diglett. But this is the new. If you get the Dodrio with hair, that means you got the girl Dodrio. Because there's one with hair. So, Dodrio, Pokédex, Porygon, Pidgeot, Spearlink, Voltorb, Taillandia, Poliwag, Seal, Magikarp, Pikachu!
Whoa, that's a nice one. Full holo Pikachu.
Oh no, these are holo rares.
Yeah?
These are secret rares.
Okay, we'll have to put it.
These are secret rares.
I'll check it out.
Pika, 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 Pikachu!
It's a secret rare. It's a secret rare.
No, it's not a secret rare.
It's a secret rare, yeah.
No, it's number 35 or 108, so it's not a secret rare. Anyways, that's a nice card.
No, can we sleeve it?
Which, yeah, we can sleeve it. Okay. We shall sleeve it.
Any card that has like any rainbow bloomers on it.
That's gold rare, eh?
It's a gold rare, yeah. I thought this pack was like Pikachu. My friend doesn't let me trade Pikachu anyway. My friend only lets me in my other school. My friend only let me trade his Pikachu GX. This Pikachu GX for Mewtwo. So I'm mad. But now I got it. So I don't have to go back to my old school. I'm just still in French immersion. They don't probably speak French, and I do.
Okay, so we might cut the video here in this spot.
Why?
So we'll see you in part 2 with the rest of our opening. Remember, like and subscribe, and leave a comment. Peace out.